Butterfly. Butterfly. It's groomer time. You ready to go to the groomer? Ready to go see Sarah? You gonna go see Sarah? You ready for a haircut? No. Not me. Her. You ready for a haircut? Yeah. Let's go do it. Let's go see Sarah. Well, we didn't get groomed, did we? Butterfly, look at you. Oh, you're awful bright there. You're awful bright. Anyway, we didn't get groomed today because I went over to the groomer and she was closed. I sent a message and I don't know where she was. I had an 11 o'clock appointment. But no groom for you. No groom for you. And driving back, this is the best part. This is what I'm telling you. Driving back, my low tire comes on. So low tire light on my Mini Cooper. So I get out, I fill it up, and light goes off. So I'm driving home, and it comes on again. So now I'm assuming I must have a nail or something. I'm getting a flat. So I'm gonna take the dog home, and then air up the tire. I've got a pump here at the house. I keep a pump. So I'm going to air up the tire and then drive over to the Mini Cooper place. It's always something. I don't know if you guys know that most Mini Coopers don't come with a spare tire. I think it might be all. I don't know. I know this one doesn't have a spare tire. It comes with tires that if they go flat, you're allowed to drive 50 miles an hour for 50 miles. So that is what I'm going to get this taken care of because I don't have a spare. It's always something. Well, I am in the Ralph Champ Mini dealership. I did have a flat because I had a nail in the inside of the tire. Not the tread, in the inside of the tire. Like right on the edge of the tread and the end. So, gotta buy a new tire. They're putting that on now, and it's always something, isn't it? It's always something. Every day, just getting by. Been looking at the new cars. I'm not buying another one while I'm here. I am not buying another one. I am not buying another one. I am not. Oh, who wouldn't want that? That might have to be my next car when I strike it rich with the Deplorables tour. Look at that beautiful thing. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Looks like it's smiling. That's pretty cool. Bag with a built-in speakers. Mini stuff. You're home.
I'm home.
You're home. I haven't had any video of you for the vlog for a few days, so
Sorry.
What have you been doing? Tell the people that said, hey, how come Janet hasn't been in any of the videos lately?
I've been working.
Okay.
Getting up early.
Okay.
Working out.
Didn't you do something exciting this morning at like 3 a.m.?
I went to the cycle bar class.
Yay! How'd you do? What was your stats?
I don't remember. I did good. I'm getting better. I'm getting stronger.
That's good. That's
yes.
good. And have you decided what you're going to do with the 3 smart plugs?
There's 4.
There's 4.
It's cool.
4 smart plugs that you got for Alexa?
I don't know. We need to do something.
But it would be stupid to just go hook it to your laptop because you couldn't really. Alexa, turn off the laptop. Listen.
Did you mean the mini smart plug too?
No.
No.
Sorry, I didn't find a device named laptop.
Oh my goodness.
Hey Alexa, cook some lamb chops.
Sorry, I couldn't find anything to do that. To get started, you'll need a smart kitchen appliance.
There's my smart kitchen appliance.
That's me. I'm here.
Janet's got it's Etsy?
Etsy?
Etsy, an Etsy find. She said, show them my Etsy find.
I love it. It's a new workout.
If you use alcohol as a sedative and bless your heart as a negative, we should be friends.
It's a Miranda Lambert.
Is it a song or just like her
It's
quote?
a song.
What song is it from?
We should be friends.
Oh, okay. That makes sense. And here is my purchase from the Wish app. If you guys don't have a Wish app, you definitely should have a Wish app. But, oh, I almost stepped on the cat. Hold on, Pooh Bear. I didn't realize you had come in and laid down. But I was headed for, I got this off the Wish app. It's like a cutting, rolling up drain board. Look, I know there's dirty dish. Why does he show dirty dishes in the sink? Why do you do that? Because we're real people. We're real people. This is, I saw a thing that you could dry on it and wash on it, wash vegetables, and that you could actually slice, like your knife would go through. Yeah, anyway, I got that today on the Wish app. It arrived. I can't tell you how long ago I ordered it because that's what Wish does. Sometimes it comes very quick, and sometimes it comes weeks later, and you're like, Janet, she's throwing her hands. You do it too. You're like, I don't remember what this is.
I know.
So that's what that is. Hi, Pooh Bear. Hi, Pooh Bear. Look, jealous dog attacking. Jealous butterfly, jealous much butterfly.
I don't know if I just gave him a shot.
Oh no! Triggered. So I got out the smart kitchen utensil.
That's me, right?
Oh, this is, right?
Oh. Our instant pot.
Instant pot. And you're going to cook a
Pork loin.
pork loin in it. Now, could we have like a smart plug here that we could tell it to? That would be dumb, wouldn't it?
That would be dumb.
That would just be dumb.
That would be dumb.
Dumb.
Got my professional driver here. How's it going, babe?
Hi. Oh,
Don't do that.
don't look away. This is a snowy road.
Snowy road. It's I-25. Oh, dear Lord.
I don't even know where the lanes are at this point.
This is fun.
Janet said, why? Why did you have to do that? Why did you have to do a donut in the snow? Because no one had done it. It was fresh powder. And I had to be the first one to do a donut in the snow. And she said, that is such a guy move.
Dude.
Is it a guy move?
Yes. Well, we made it. Can't really see us.
It's dark, but we made it.
We made it to the Grizzly Rose. Now we're going to go
Safe.
see Pat Green
We're going to go see green and the white.
and pray that the drive home is safe.
Please let it be safe. Please. Why are you running in the snow? You're going to slip. You have to pee? That's the pee walk. You have snow way up the back of your boots. How did you do that?
I don't know. I'm messy.
Huh. It's beautiful. Look, there we are, heading into the snow. I love the snow, except driving in it and walking in it and being out in it. But I love it because I like to see it.
Just don't fall, baby.
Yeah, don't fall, especially when you're filming, because then you'll have it on film.
It kind of looks like daylight.
I know, it's really bright. Look how good the picture is.
It's like 9 o'clock at night. I went to Oh, it's up right.
Get a room! It's a lot of snow.
It's Saturday. It's been
Yay.
a pretty chill Saturday.
It is almost 1:30 on a Saturday. And
We've
we're
been productive.
We have. We actually cleaned the house. And you put clothes away. Did you move clothes? Room to room or something?
No, I put my clothes out for the week.
Oh, okay.
That's
for the
what I
week.
do.
I
Yes.
just saw you moving lots of clothes. So
Yes.
Yeah. So now we're on our way to Home Depot for new bathroom heating
Yay, fun.
and maybe a
Adulting.
toilet thingy.
First stop, Jesse's girl. The Home Depot. Fun times on a Saturday. Adulting.
Home Depot was a bust.
Bummer.
They didn't have one thing that we were thinking about. Not one.
No one.
Not one. So now we're gonna go to Lowe's. Lowe's. Oh, it's still going.
Stop number 2.
Lowe's. When you can't find it at Home Depot, Lowe's. Okay, so we came to Lowe's. They didn't have what we wanted, or we didn't think so. So we went back to Home Depot. The price was more expensive, so now we're back at Lowe's. That's how we roll. But she's getting hangry. She's definitely, I'm gonna give her a Snickers bar because she's turning into a diva.
I'm hungry. It's an Alexa dance party.
I'm listening to Super Smash Bros.
Rated everyone 10 and up.
Automatically with
Janet's
your first
down
lick
there on the
fantasy.
end.
Really?
Parker, Dylan
Yeah, we
Jr.
get it.
Pop
Stuff
Jr.
happens. Life gets busy, bills, family, alien invasion. That's awesome. If only every...
Janet has us in Target now.
Yeah.
We're in Target. This is how we spend our Sunday. Actually, we spent our Sunday getting a new dryer hooked up. And we're gonna go over and get the other connection for that here in a minute after our Target visit, right? Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
The phone didn't break.
Didn't break, is it all right?
Yeah, my phone's like super protected.
Ooh, that's good. That is so you.
Are you seriously gonna get another one? I'm just gonna rip this open.
Just one.
I'm gonna get what are you doing?
I'm filming candy.
Really? Is that the best you got?
That's the best I got. Wow. Skittle eggs. Ooh. Ooh, this could be good. That's a great big. Oh, look. Oh, poop.
Jaden got us those once. No. Well, I do. It's just that it won't work.
That's a nice chair, huh?
I want to try it. Oh, it's $400.
That would be perfect in the living room.
Yeah, I want you to spend $400 on it then.
Huh?
Oh yeah, you should do that. Wait, are you videoing the camera?